week's been stressful. It's very time consuming. So when we're on the stances, it's just all pressure, all stressful, you're really time constrained. So constantly thinking what's the next thing to do, trying not to miss things out, constantly on the go really. Well, this is a lot more stressful because everyone's watching. You want to do a good job, but also the time as well, like I mentioned. So you're constantly, this aircraft I haven't worked on before, so it's more your knowledge of just general aircraft engineering and trying to do stuff quickly. And when you're deployed, you've got that time, but you've got other additional environments. So if you're on ship, you've got the weather, you've got, all your deployed time constraints to get the aircraft out on time. So it's a different environment, but it's still just as stressful. Last year I was on frontline squadron, so I was out in Oman for a few months, desert environment. I've been on ship on HMS Illustrious, HMS Ocean, so I was just out at sea, Gibraltar, Portugal, Mediterranean really. I feel personally that I make myself, I put more pressure on myself to try and succeed because I want to have that impact that, females can do it, and you want to drive yourself to be better really. School was just normal, took normal subjects, and then I went to college. I'd done 3 years electrical installation, domestic side, and then I'd done multi-skilled engineering as well. So I'd done that, didn't really have much chance of an apprenticeship where I am because I'm quite rural, so I decided to go into the forces, better job security, better pay, and I've loved it really, just a different side to life. I've had quite a lot of male influences in my life. I'm a granddad of a carpenter, so when I was younger I was always kind of getting into different subjects with him really, so it was a major influence. I just enjoyed that side of it, seeing how things work, making them work, fixing things that are broken. I definitely recommend it. I'd say it was more challenging, but you actually get a lot more reward from it as well because you're constantly pushing yourself, but you just get so much satisfaction.